Procedure of cast iron welding. Procedure for welding cast iron, SMAW process. The goal when welding cast iron is to manage the internal stresses to prevent cold cracking. Identification and cleaning. Identify the type. Determine if it is grey, malleable, or nodular cast iron. Surface preparation. Remove oil, grease, paint, and rust. Cast iron is porous and often soaks up oil, especially in engine parts, which can cause porosity. V-groove. Grind a 60 degrees to 90 degrees V-groove. If the crack is deep, drill stop holes at both ends of the crack to prevent it from spreading during welding. Preheating. Critical step. Temperature. Preheat the entire component to between 250 degrees C and 450 degrees C. Purpose. Preheating slows down the cooling rate, preventing the formation of Martensite, a very hard, brittle structure, and reducing thermal shock. Selection of electrode. Nickel-based electrodes. These are the standard for marine repairs. Nickel stays soft and ductile, allowing the weld to stretch slightly as it cools, which prevents cracking. Steel electrodes. Generally avoided for critical repairs as they create a very hard, unmachinable weld. Welding technique. Short beads and stitching. Short beads. Deposit short beads, approx 25 mm to 50 mm. Do not create long, continuous runs which build up excessive heat. Staggered welding. Weld in one area, move to another, and come back. This keeps the heat distribution even. Low amperage. Use the lowest possible current to minimize the heat-affected zone, HAZ. Peening. While the weld bead is still dull red, lightly tap it with a ball peen hammer. Purpose. This is called peening. It induces compressive stress to counteract the tensile stress created by the shrinking weld metal, significantly reducing the risk of cracks. Controlled cooling. Post-heating. Slow cooling. After welding, bury the part in dry sand, lime, or wrap it in an insulated glass fiber blanket. Purpose. To ensure the temperature drops as slowly as possible, ideally over several hours. Never quench cast iron in water. Direct answer to surveyor. Sir, welding cast iron is challenging due to its high carbon content and brittleness. The procedure involves preparation, cleaning the surface and drilling stop holes at the crack ends. Preheating, heating the part to about 300 degrees C to reduce thermal shock. Electrode, using nickel-rich electrodes because they remain ductile. Welding, using the short bead technique and peening the weld while hot to relieve internal stresses. Cooling, burying the part in sand or lime for slow, controlled cooling to prevent cracking.